In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone on Tradingview, perfect for beginners who are navigating this platform for the first time or anyone in need of a quick refresher. Whether you're a trader monitoring global markets or simply need to sync your charts with your local time, getting your time zone right is crucial for accurate data analysis. Let's dive into the steps, ensuring your TradingView experience is seamless. To begin, open your favorite web browser and head over to tradingview.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do so first since you won't be able to access chart features without logging in. After successfully logging in, go ahead and open a chart that you wish to adjust. This could be one you regularly monitor or any chart you want to practice adjusting settings on. Now that you have your chart in view, the next step is to access the chart settings where we'll locate the time zone controls. There are a couple of ways to do this, both equally straightforward. You can either right-click anywhere on the chart, which, as many users find, leads directly to a quick settings menu, or opt for the top toolbar where you'll notice a gear icon. Clicking on that gear icon will open up the chart settings window. With the chart settings window open, your task is to locate the time zone settings. This is found under the time zone or session tab, which should be visible on the side or top of the settings tab, depending on your interface layout. Once inside this section, you'll see the current time zone listed and an option to change it. Click on the drop-down menu where you'll be shown a list of time zones. Carefully scroll through and select the time zone you wish to set your charts to. It's organized by region, so you can choose based on your geographical location or the market you're most active in. TradingView will instantly adjust and update the timestamps on your chart to reflect the new time zone you've selected. Remember, this setting helps keep your market analysis consistent, especially if you're trading or analyzing across different regions. Finally, to make sure the changes stick, it's crucial to save or confirm your new settings. Look for either an OK or Save button within the settings window. Clicking this will ensure your chart now operates based on the new time zone settings. You should see the timestamps on your chart update in real time as a confirmation. And there you have it. Your chart now displays information according to your chosen time zone. With this understanding, you're better equipped to make decisions based on accurate and relevant data tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching and happy trading.